What if I told you that a simple drink sitting in your kitchen right now could completely transform your gut health in just 3 days? Before you scroll away, listen to this. Millions of people are suffering from digestive issues, bloating, and low energy, and they have no idea that the solution is literally bubbling right in front of them. By the end of this video, you'll discover the ancient secret that's been hiding in plain sight, and I promise you, your gut will thank you forever. Stick with me until the end of the video because I'm going to show you how to make your own drink. Just 3 months ago, I was exactly where you might be right now. Bloated after every meal, constantly tired and frustrated with my digestive system that seemed to have a mind of its own. I tried everything: expensive probiotics, restrictive diets, even considered going to a specialist. But then, something incredible happened that changed everything. If you're tired of feeling uncomfortable in your own body and ready to discover a natural solution that actually works, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now because we're about to dive deep into something that could transform your health forever. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. 3 days. That's all it took for my entire digestive system to feel like it had been completely reset. No expensive treatments, no complicated protocols, just one simple drink that I started having every morning. And the best part? You probably already know what it is, but you have no idea just how powerful it really is. I'm talking about kombucha. Yes, that fizzy, slightly sour drink that's been sitting on grocery store shelves, quietly working miracles for those who understand its true power. But here's what nobody tells you about kombucha, and why most people are drinking it completely wrong. Your gut is like a garden, and right now, that garden might be overrun with weeds. Every processed food you eat, every stressful day you endure, every antibiotic you've ever taken has been slowly destroying the delicate ecosystem living inside you. But kombucha? Kombucha is like sending in an army of gardeners to restore balance to your internal world. This ancient fermented tea contains billions of live probiotics, the good bacteria that your gut is desperately craving. Think about it this way. Your gut produces more serotonin than your brain does. That's right. Your happiness literally starts in your stomach. When your gut is healthy, you feel energized, clear-minded, and genuinely happier. When it's not, everything else falls apart. Let me walk you through exactly what happened during my 3-day transformation. Day 1 was subtle, but noticeable. Within hours of drinking my first glass of high-quality kombucha, I felt a gentle bubbling sensation in my stomach. The probiotics were beginning their work, setting up camp in my digestive tract and starting to crowd out the harmful bacteria. By evening, something remarkable happened. For the first time in months, I didn't feel bloated after dinner. I actually felt light, energized, and ready to take on the world. This wasn't a coincidence. This was the beginning of a revolution happening inside my body. Day 2 brought even more dramatic changes. I woke up feeling more rested than I had in weeks. My energy levels were stable throughout the day. No more afternoon crashes or brain fog. It was like someone had upgraded my entire system overnight. But day 3, that's when the real magic happened. I looked in the mirror and saw a glow I hadn't seen in years. My skin was clearer, my eyes were brighter, and I felt this incredible sense of vitality coursing through my veins. My gut had transformed, and it had taken my entire body along for the ride. If you're feeling inspired and ready to start your own transformation, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because I'm going to share even more gut health secrets in upcoming videos. Your future self will thank you for taking action today. But here's where most people go wrong, and why their kombucha experience falls flat. They grab any bottle off the shelf, drink it whenever they feel like it, and wonder why they're not seeing results. The truth is, not all kombucha is created equal, and timing is everything. The kombucha that's going to transform your gut isn't the sugar-loaded, artificially flavored stuff that's been sitting on shelves for months. You need live, active cultures. You need kombucha that's still alive and ready to work its magic in your system. And timing? This is crucial. Your gut is most receptive to probiotics when it's empty, which means first thing in the morning is your golden window. This is when the probiotics can establish themselves without competing with food for space and resources. What I discovered over the following weeks was that healing my gut had a ripple effect throughout my entire life. My skin cleared up because my body was finally absorbing nutrients properly. My energy levels stabilized because my gut was producing the neurotransmitters I needed to feel balanced and happy. Your gut health affects everything. Your relationships improve when you feel good in your own body. Your productivity skyrockets when you have sustained energy throughout the day. Your confidence grows when you're not constantly worried about digestive discomfort. This isn't just about drinking kombucha. This is about reclaiming your life from the inside out. It's about understanding that your body is incredibly intelligent and wants to heal itself. You just need to give it the right tools, and kombucha is one of the most powerful tools available. Let me be completely honest with you. The first sip of quality kombucha might make you wrinkle your nose. It's tangy, it's fizzy, and it definitely tastes different from anything you're used to. But your taste buds will adapt faster than you think, and soon you'll find yourself craving that distinctive flavor because your body knows it's getting exactly what it needs. Start with just 4 ounces in the morning on an empty stomach. Let it do its work for 30 minutes before you eat anything else. Pay attention to how your body responds. Notice the subtle shifts in energy, the changes in digestion, the improvements in mood. Within 3 days, you'll understand why I'm so passionate about sharing this information. Within a week, people will start commenting on how healthy you look. Within a month, you'll wonder how you ever lived without this simple daily ritual. Your gut transformation starts with a single decision. The decision to prioritize your health, to listen to your body, and to give it what it's been asking for all along. Kombucha isn't just a drink, it's a gateway to a healthier, more vibrant version of yourself. If this video has opened your eyes to the incredible power of gut health, I need you to do 3 things right now. First, smash that like button because it helps other people discover this life-changing information. Second, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell because I'm sharing more gut health secrets that could transform your life. Now I'm going to share a simple recipe for making your own kombucha at home. Grab a pen and paper and take note. Homemade kombucha recipe. Ingredients: 1 liter of filtered water, 1 tea bag or 1 tablespoon of black tea or green tea, 80 to 100 grain, about 1/3 to 1 to 2 cup, of white sugar, refined or granulated, 1 SCOBY, symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, 100 ml, about 1 to 2 cup, of starter kombucha, from a previous batch or store-bought raw kombucha, 1 sterilized glass jar, 1.5 L or larger, clean cloth, plus rubber band to cover the jar. Instructions: first prepare the tea, boil the water and add the tea. Steep for 10 minutes. Strain, if using loose leaves, and stir in the sugar until fully dissolved. Let it cool completely to room temperature. Second, assemble the kombucha, pour the sweetened tea into the glass jar. Add the 100 milliliters of starter kombucha. With clean hands, place the SCOBY into the jar. Cover the jar with a cloth and secure it with a rubber band. Third, fermentation. Leave the jar in a dark, well-ventilated area at room temperature, 68 to 85 degrees, 20-30 degrees Celsius. Let it ferment for 7 to 14 days, depending on the desired taste. Shorter, sweeter, longer, more sour. Fourth, second fermentation, optional. For carbonation. Remove the SCOBY, save it with some kombucha for the next batch. Pour the kombucha into bottles with lids. Add fruit, ginger, or juice to flavor it. Seal and leave at room temperature for another 2 to 5 days to carbonate, then refrigerate to stop fermentation and enjoy. Recommendation: use glass, wood, or plastic tools. Avoid metal contact with the SCOBY. Always sanitize your equipment properly. Start tasting from day 7 using a clean straw to check for your preferred flavor. And third, share this video with someone who needs to hear this message because everyone deserves to feel amazing in their own body. Your gut has been waiting for this moment. Your body has been preparing for this transformation. The question isn't whether kombucha can change your life in 3 days. The question is, are you ready to let it? The choice is yours, and the time is now. Your healthiest, happiest self is just 3 days away. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye!